Welcome back children for the social science class 10 standard. Today I would like to take the topic in geography, Indian climate. So in previous classes you have learned about the climate related to Karnataka. Now we are going to study in this topic the climate related to India, distribution of rainfall, seasons, features, factors, everything. Okay, shall we move on? Now first let us go for what type of climate does India has. India has tropical monsoon type of climate. Now this monsoon, it's been derived from an Arabic word called mausim, means season. Now after learning to the season here India, now let us move on. What are the factors responsible for Indian climate here? Location, water bodies, relief features and monsoon winds. So these are the factors responsible for Indian climate. Now after learning to this, the next comes here, the climate of India is being distributed into 4 seasons. Number 1, winter season take place from December to February, summer season from March to May, rainy season from June to mid-September and retreating monsoon season mid-September to November. Okay? How many seasons we have? 4. Now let us move on one by one what it used to give the highlighting points in each season. Number 1 called winter season. This winter season here, during the season, the rays of the sun fall used to be to southern hemisphere, so we can see this winter season, and India used to get oblique rays of the sun, so the temperature of India is going to be humid, very low and clear sky, no rainfall, nothing. It used to be very formation of clear sky. And here which are the places we can see here? The hilly areas of Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh used to record the lowest temperature, and in that the geographers has been said January has been regarded as coldest month. Which month is the coldest? January. Okay. Next comes here the Daras near Kargil used to have very low temperature, and the temperature used to be -4 degrees Celsius. So it used to be very cold, very chill, and it used to be of dews and fog here are common here. And the annual rainfall used to be only 2%. That is in winter season. Follow children? Okay. Next comes second one, summer season. From which month it starts? March to May. So this one summer, very hot it is. So here the summer season used to be vertical to the northern. What it consists in north part here? The north part consists of Himalayas here. So in that we can see very hot. That is been to summer season. It used to study on hot, dry and sluttery, means hot and humid climate. So here it has been said the highest temperature in Ganganagar in Rajasthan used to be of 49.4 degrees Celsius. Imagine how much hot it might be there. The people are able to bear or no. So the highest recordable temperature is being at Ganganagar in Rajasthan, and the convectional rainfall occurs locally in some part. It is being called in different way, and is in Uttar Pradesh, Kala Baisakhi in West Bengal, mango showers in Kerala and coffee blossom in Karnataka. So for each and everything where we have studied on 4, only one answer refers. Convectional rainfall occurs locally in some part of the country is called Andes, Kala Baisakhi or coffee blossom, mango shower. Okay, and it used to be the rainfall, 10% rainfall used to take place in summer season. Okay, follow children here. Now let us move to the third called rainy season. What is this rainy season? Rainy season is having another name. It's called southwest monsoon. Okay, rainy season of southwest monsoon. In this the rainy season, it has been of rainfall. How it used to bring the moisture laden winds blow from southwest, where we have Arabian Sea. From there it used to start blowing here and it used to bring rainfall. Rainfall, it may be heavy or in medium or in low here. It has been divided into two branches. One is called the southwest monsoon of Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. These are the two branches of rainy season. Arabian Sea branch, it used to strike the Western Ghats. Okay, you can see the map in page number 108. It has been given and causes heavy rainfall. Where we have Arabian Sea, it used to cause heavy rainfall, and to the next, to the east part, we have Bay of Bengal. In that it used to get decrease of what? Eastern slopes and Western Ghats here, and it will be in form of like rain shadow. Less rainfall it used to take place. Bay of Bengal used to cause us heavy rainfall, and what are the Himalayas we can see here? Hills we can see Meghalaya and Assam. It used to be heavy rainfall, that is to east part here. The heaviest rainfall occurs in Meghalaya. A place has been called Mausiram. It used to be a recordable rainfall annually. Then fourth comes here, retreating monsoon season. It used to take place in the month of mid-September, November, but in October it decreases the temperature and pressurized replace into high pressure, low pressure in Bay of Bengal, and tropical cyclones occur in Bay of Bengal. Floods and cyclones are common over there. Now it used to damage for life and property. After learning to the retreating monsoon, next comes distribution of rainfall. Rainfall in India has been distributed in three. One, area with low rainfall. Can you guess which place will get the less rainfall? Yes, Rajasthan used to get a very less rainfall, and we have that comes here to the west part of India. The second, and there have been many places has been modified. You can refer the text. Okay, area with medium rainfall. The rainfall which used to take place in very not like low, in medium way. The places comes here for northern Punjab, then Cape of Kanyakumari, and also to the western Ghats and eastern Ghats here. Next comes heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall, it used to be from 100 to 250 centimeter of rainfall. The places like Himachal Pradesh, then Mausiram is being located to a heavy rainfall. Okay children, here you have a map of distribution of rainfall in page number 108, and they have been given the scale measuring. You can just refer and draw this map in your classwork by using different colors, so you will come to know which area has been in low rainfall, medium rainfall and heavy rainfall. Okay, thank you children.